The Motorola Razr 2022 made a splash in the smartphone market with its nostalgic flip appearance and innovative foldable display. However, its reign as the newest Razer phone was short-lived, as the Razr 40 series was introduced in 2023, taking the title of Motorola's latest offering in the Razer lineup. The Razr 40 series builds upon the success of its predecessor, retaining the iconic flip appearance that has captured the hearts of many consumers. This appearance choice not only evokes a sense of nostalgia for the original Razer phones, but also provides a unique and practical form factor for modern smartphone users. At the top of the Razer 40 series is the Razer 40 Ultra, the flagship device that boasts several notable improvements over its predecessor. One of the key enhancements is in its display technology. The Razer 40 Ultra features an upgraded foldable display that provides a more immersive and vibrant visual experience. With improved brightness, color accuracy, and contrast levels, users can expect a stunning viewing experience on the new Razer. The device offers a significant boost in processing power, enabling users to handle demanding applications and games with ease. Another noteworthy improvement in the Razer 40 Ultra is its camera system. Motorola has equipped this device with an enhanced camera setup, featuring advanced imaging capabilities and improved low-light performance. Users can expect sharper, more detailed photos and videos, even in challenging lighting conditions. Motorola claims that the Razer 40 Ultra features the current largest exterior flip phone display. The 3.6-inch OLED cover screen is 0.9 inches larger than the Razer 2022's 2.7-inch front display. More room for all the new clock appearances, games, and personalized app panels coming to the next phone. The Ultra's cover screen also has a far greater resolution and refresh rate than the 2022 phones, measuring 1056 by 1066 and 144 Hz, as opposed to the Razer foldable 800 by 573 resolution and 60 Hz refresh rate. We had trouble with the Razer 2022's poor refresh rate because it seemed to make games made for the smaller cover screen stutter. We're happy to see Motorola make changes in this area. While most of the Ultra specifications have kept the same or improved over the past year, the camera is one feature that appears to have taken a turn for the worse. 3 cameras, 2 on the outside of the phone and 1 on the larger inside display, are included on both the Razer 40 Ultra and the Razer 2022. Both phones utilize a 32-megapixel selfie camera and a 13-megapixel wide macro sensor for video calls, but the main camera is where the major difference in this case is found. The 12-megapixel primary camera on the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra employs instant dual-pixel PDAF technology for quick and precise performance in a range of lighting conditions. Additionally, the camera boasts an optical image stabilization to lessen the impact of shaky hands and a wide f1.5 aperture to aid in the creation of soft focus backgrounds. In contrast, the Razer 2022 from a year ago had a bigger 50-megapixel camera with optical image stabilization, a wider f1.8 aperture, and the capacity to record 8K at 30p video. The Ultra's video capabilities are still mostly unknown, and a higher megapixel count does not always equate to a better camera. It's intriguing to note that Motorola may have retreated in this regard, though. The battery in the 40 Ultra, according to Motorola, is greater than the one in the previous generation, so the phone should last longer between charges, albeit the bigger, quicker cover screen probably uses a lot of that power. The battery's precise dimensions haven't been disclosed by Motorola, although the 2022 model had a 3500 mAh battery. Motorola's 30 watts turbo power rapid charging is compatible with both phones. Even though the Motorola Razr 2022 had a stylish appearance that was enjoyable and reminiscent of the past, the dull satin black color felt out of place. Infinite Black, Glacier Blue, and the colorful Viva Magenta are among a new selection of matte and vegan leather finishes available for the Razer 40 Ultra. The Razer 2022, which cost £949 at launch, has recently had its price reduced to £799, making it comparable to the new Motorola Razr 40. The 40 Ultra, however, costs a significantly higher £1,049 to surpass the $1,000 threshold. Which phone did you like more? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a good day and see you soon.